Which Azure Compute option is best suited for running a single isolated application without the need for an underlying operating system? A. Azure Virtual Machines. B. Azure Functions. C. Azure Kubernetes Service. D. Azure App Service. The correct answer is B. Azure Functions. Azure Functions is a serverless compute service that allows you to run event-driven code without managing infrastructure. Virtual machines and Kubernetes require managing the underlying OS, and App Service is more suited for web applications. You need to deploy a scalable web application with minimal management overhead. Which Azure service should you choose? A. Azure Virtual Machines. B. Azure Functions. C. Azure App Service. D. Azure Kubernetes Service. The correct answer is C. Azure App Service. Azure App Service is designed for hosting scalable web applications with minimal management. Virtual machines and Kubernetes require more management, and functions are better for event-driven tasks rather than full web applications. A company wants to run multiple containerized applications with orchestration and scaling capabilities. Which Azure service is most appropriate? A. Azure Virtual Machines. B. Azure Functions. C. Azure Kubernetes Service. D. Azure App Service. The correct answer is C. Azure Kubernetes Service. Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, provides orchestration and scaling for containerized applications. Virtual machines and App Service do not offer built-in container orchestration, and functions are not designed for running multiple containerized applications. Which Azure Compute Service allows you to run code in response to events without provisioning or managing servers? A. Azure Virtual Machines. B. Azure Functions. C. Azure Kubernetes Service. D. Azure App Service. The correct answer is B. Azure Functions. Azure Functions is a serverless compute service that runs code in response to events without the need to provision or manage servers. Virtual machines, Kubernetes, and App Service require some level of server management. You need full control over the operating system and environment for a legacy application. Which Azure Compute option should you choose? A. Azure Virtual Machines. B. Azure Functions. C. Azure Kubernetes Service. D. Azure App Service. The correct answer is A. Azure Virtual Machines. Azure Virtual Machines provide full control over the operating system and environment, making them suitable for legacy applications. Functions, Kubernetes, and App Service do not offer the same level of control over the OS. A development team wants to deploy microservices with automated scaling and management of containerized applications. Which Azure service should they use? A. Azure Virtual Machines. B. Azure Functions. C. Azure Kubernetes Service. D. Azure App Service. The correct answer is C. Azure Kubernetes Service. Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, is ideal for deploying microservices with automated scaling and management of containerized applications. Virtual machines and App Service do not provide the same level of container management, and functions are not designed for microservices architecture.